Imagine the aroma of a fresh homemade pizza wafting through your kitchen. Here's how you can make that happen. Gather warm water, active dry yeast, sugar, olive oil, all-purpose flour, salt, tomato sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, and your favorite toppings. Start by combining water, yeast, and sugar in a large bowl, allowing it to stand until the yeast is foamy. Add olive oil, flour, and salt, stirring until dough forms. Knead this on a floured surface until it's smooth and elastic. Let it rise in a greased bowl, covered in a warm place until it's doubled in size. Preheat your oven to a scorching 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Punch down the dough, divide it, and roll out two 12-inch circles. Place these on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Spread tomato sauce on the dough, leaving a 1-inch border. Sprinkle mozzarella over the sauce, add your toppings, and bake until the crust is golden and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remember, use fresh ingredients, don't overwork the dough or overcrowd the baking sheet, and avoid overbaking. With practice, you'll be a pizza maestro in no time. Enjoy.